Steve here from Tesla Income with another weekly edition of Work Truck Wednesdays, where I chronicle all the numbers of everything that happened in the last week for the CyberTruck, all the different things I'm doing to make money with the CyberTruck, and hopefully showing you that you can do it as well. Anyway, so let's start off with Lyft, and I actually had the truck rented out for most of the week, so I didn't do a whole lot of Lyft. I only made $214 this week on Lyft, but I did have some interesting and fun rides, let me tell you, as I usually do. Some really interesting people and some kind of funny stories, which I should I tell them? I don't know, probably not. But anyway, moving on from that, we did another 158 on Roadie. Roadie is the delivery service, which we work with Tractor Supply, Home Depot, Discount Tire, you know, all different kinds of vendors delivering stuff for people. And the truck comes in handy. Some of the stuff is big enough where you actually have to have a pickup in order to do the job. So, but I still haven't made a whole lot on that yet. I've just been doing a few here and there. And a lot of times I do it if it's like going the same direction I need to go anyway. So I'm not going like out of my way to do it. It's just like, oh, there's a trip along the way. I might as well make, you know, whatever, 20 bucks or whatever it might be, to do that and pick it up along the way. The next one, Turo, finally got some Turo action. This one, 1332 off of 2 trips I did. So that was a pretty good haul. And like I said, 1704 for the entire week, which puts me at, for the first 4 weeks of ownership, $3,600.36. So $3,636 for the grand total for 4 weeks. Pretty happy with that. Almost on a 1,000 per week run rate, which works for me. Yeah, so that's it, guys. I will keep you informed, let you know. I've got some other stuff coming down the pipeline, of course. Also, I want to start recording some of the Lyft rides, which should be pretty amusing. So we'll do some of that. And yeah, let me know what else you may want to see, and we will go from there. See you guys next week. Peace out.